At this stage of the course, you should be familiar with how to create a new project, set your project settings accordingly to the specifications given to you, and import the media links. I have all my settings correctly set and my media links are uploaded. So let's go subtitling. I will begin by playing the video, and when I hear the audio, I will stop and I will move my cursor to where the audio starts. I will then set my cues and I will enter the dialogue that I hear for that subtitle. You can now add a new subtitle either by clicking on the plus shortcut key or by using your hotkeys. Once you've added a subtitle, you can repeat the process. I will continue to create the subtitles for the rest of the video, and once I have done this, I will then recheck my subtitles to make sure they are correctly synced and adhere to the specifications.